Hello, my name is Adriana. I'm a MACMO librarian with LA County Library. And today, I'll be showing you a new art technique that I learned using string. This is a recent art trend that I have seen online. And it looks so easy and fun. So I thought, let's try it. To do this activity, you will need the following items. Tempera paint. I'm using 3 different colors, but you can use 1 or as many as you like. Remember, you can also mix colors to make new ones. Do you remember how to make green? You'll also need yarn, cups for your paint, a paintbrush, construction paper, white or pastel colored, paper towels for cleanup, and the following items are optional. Gloves or craft stick. I'll be showing you 3 different ways to paint with string, but don't forget to explore other possibilities because they are endless. This art is so easy to do, and all you need to remember is string, paint, fold, and pull. It's so much fun. Before you start with each painting, make sure to fold your paper in half. It's easier to do it before adding the paint and the string. Then we're going to coat the string with paint. I'm going to do it with 3 strings, and each string is going to be a different color: red, blue, and yellow. What's great about this technique is letting the string lay on the paper as you lower it. It does it all by itself, making a cool design. Of course, you can manipulate it afterwards. When you are ready, fold the paper, and I'm going to use my other hand to apply pressure on top of the paper, but you can also use a heavy object like a book. But make sure that it's a book that you don't mind if it gets paint on it. Then the fun part. Pull the string. You can either do it one at a time or all at once. The choice is yours. So another way to do this method is multi-colors on one string. You're gonna need your string, but this time we're gonna lay it on the table. Make sure you have something to protect the table so you have less of a mess. And you're gonna take your paintbrush, and now you're going to paint your string, and you can use different colors. So I'm going to do them by section. So my next section is going to be red, followed by blue. And I can repeat this same pattern over and over, but you want to make sure that you have this dry, because that's the part we're going to pull. And when you get your design, this is what you're left behind. So that's another way to do this technique with multicolors. Let's try another one. This time we're not going to coat the string. This time we're going to fold the paper first, and this time we're going to place the string on the paper. Then using the paintbrush, I'm going to dot different areas with the string. Again, I'm using different colors, and I'm spreading it around the canvas, but always making sure that the paint is on the string. Now we just fold the paper, apply pressure, and pull. The reason this art technique works is because the string works as a paintbrush, so I'm able to do this over and over again. As we pull the string, it is able to make a cool design. It unravels, and at the same time, it spreads the paint across. And because we have the paper on top of the paint, it also transfers the image. This type of art is almost like creating a symmetric design. That means one side is the same like the other. Just like a butterfly, the left and right are the same, but this is not a perfect transfer. Note the green boxes. See how one streak is more noticeable than the other? For a bonus activity, pause the video and see if you can find other differences in the painting. Now on to the third technique. This is actually the same as the first one. But this time, I'm going to paint a solid color background. Using my favorite color, green, I'm gonna mix yellow and blue to make it myself. You want to make sure you have enough paint on the paper so the string can make a design as you pull it. So don't let it dry. Quickly coat your string with paint. If you have gloves, this is a great time to use them so you can coat it with your hands. Or you can use a craft stick and swirl it around. Using the color red, I'm going to place the string on the wet background, and just like before, I'm going to fold the paper, apply pressure, and pull. Now there may be times where it doesn't work out the way you want it, and that's okay. You can try again. Take your paintbrush, add a little bit more paint, put the string back, and repeat. Now it looks better. But remember, painting is about having fun and exploring the different possibilities. So check out different types of paper, different types of paint, and all the colors out there. There are so many colors out there. They're so beautiful, so enjoy exploring. I hope you enjoyed learning a new unique way of painting. If you're interested in other craft ideas, check out the book, Low Mess Crafts for Kids, 72 Projects to Create Your Own Magical World by Debbie Chapman. This book is great for getting creative and using materials you can find at home. Click on the link in the description box for more details. Thank you for watching the video. Please click in the link in the description box for up and coming programs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos. Thank you and bye everyone.